This is Kevin Lewitsky. This is my lab submission for Lab 4 for Intro to Logic Design. For this lab we had to build a dual JK flip-flop circuit using the 4027 chip. That's this chip right here. And we also had to use NAND gates. So I used the 7400 chip, which is a quad 2-input NAND gate chip. And that's that chip right here. We had to use two switches, one for input X, one for clear. So this one here is X, this one is clear. We had to use 4 LEDs for the outputs. So this one is X, this one is Q1, this one is Q2, and this one is Z. And Z is Q1 and Q2 put through a NAND gate. So anytime Q1 and Q2 are both on, Z will be off. Otherwise, Z will be on when either Q1 or Q2 or both of them are off. So what I'll do is I'll turn the power on. You can see here X is on. Right now Q2 is on. So what I'll do is I'll turn X off. And I'll also turn the clear on to clear Q2. So now you can see only Z is on. I'll turn the clear back off. And when X is off, if I toggle through by pressing the clock, you can see there's no state changes. Q1 and Q2 both stay off. When I turn X on, now that activates the 4027 chip so that the Q1 and Q2 change state anytime I press the clock. So when I push down, that's a positive clock transition, and that on a positive clock transition, Q1 changes state. When I release the button, that's a negative clock transition, and Q2 will change state.